Hello, my name is Andrew. I am a composer and sound designer. In this video, I would like to show you how to make string ostinato patterns sound more realistic by using Spitfire Audio's library Symphonic Motions. What Symphonic Motions does is to provide recordings of ostinato patterns with the characteristic rebowing sounds. So the individual notes of the patterns played sound more connected. I would like to show you this effect within the context of a composition I am currently working on. Symphonic Motions is running on one of my slave computers. At the moment there are no effects applied. I begin by playing the intro with the Symphonic Motions layer deactivated. And now the same passage with the Symphonic Motions layer activated. The effect of the layer may seem to be subtle, but it is nevertheless an important effect, in my opinion. The notes appear to be more connected when the Symphonic Motions layer is activated. Let us listen to the passage while I alternately activate and deactivate the Symphonic Motions layer. I think that the difference could be recognized in this way and how the layer adds to more realism of the string patterns played. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.